This screencast is meant to help you understand the way that Paradise Lost characterizes the character of Satan, and help you understand how he is presented as this sort of appealing character in the beginning of Paradise Lost. So I'm going to read you a speech from Book 1 of Paradise Lost, starting in line 315. And this is right after the fallen angels and Satan have been thrown out of heaven and they have landed in hell. So all these fallen angels are sort of scattered around on the ground in hell right now, and Satan has clawed his way up, and he is realizing that he needs to kind of take control of things before they get um, too depressed to really do anything else. So this is his speech to his fellow fallen angels, starting here in line 315. Princes, potentates, warriors, the flower of heaven, once yours, now lost. If such astonishment as this can seize eternal spirits, or have ye chosen this place after the toil of battle to repose your wearied virtue for the ease you find to slumber here, as in the vales of heaven? Or in this abject posture have ye sworn to adore the conqueror who now beholds cherub and seraph rolling in the flood with scattered arms and ensigns, till anon his swift pursuers from heaven gates discern the advantage, and descending tread us down, thus drooping, or with linked thunderbolts transfix us to the bottom of this gulf? Awake, arise, or be forever fallen.